Everyone, welcome to the Brown Star, the great ship of Longclaw. It can't be. You mean an owl ship is responsible for all the destruction in the city? It appears so, Tommy. But I doubt it was Nell Claw who caused the destruction. Another spaceship crashed on planet Freedom? What are the odds? Longclaw's mission was to preserve our culture. The colonnade of South Plains was a covenant between all animals. The colonnade is comprised of the essential aspects of our lost South Plains heritage, and it was placed inside the Ferrotaxis, the supercomputer that controls the Proud Star. The Ferrotaxis literally carries our culture inside of it. What historical find that would be? So much art and beauty and history's been lost. To find it again. The Ferrotaxis controls both the plasma core and the hyena chips. It directs the power and gives the hyenas their function and purpose. Okay, so we find the Ferrotaxis and what? Destroy it? It's got so much of our culture in it. We can't do that, can we? No, we can't. We find the plasma core and shut it down. Shutting down the power is the most surefire way to stop the cyber forming. Then we locate the Ferrotaxis and preserve our culture, as Longclaw intended. But for now, stay focused. There are more floors to this ship. We split up and locate the plasma core. Whoa, where do you suppose they're headed? Huh? Oh no. What is it, Bambi? Felt like my heart wanted to jump out of my chest. There's a darkness here. And I think Simba must be in it. We'll deal with it later if we must. Wow! Ominous much? Oh. So many, stuff here. I just wish that Simba so what the? Guys? We might have a problem. With the unpredictability of plasma energy, there's a chance that if we blow it up, it'll take half the planet with it. Fine chance. My figures aren't precise, but at current calculations, roughly 92.787% chance it will detonate. Then, we capture the plasma core. Admittedly, you got further than expected, my little pink cushions. However, I've got a little surprise for you. What the what? Shockwave, awaken. This plasma core is my property. I will not let you put one dirty finger on it, Bambi. The ship's powered down for now. But if we allow Sir Khan to retrieve the plasma core before we find it, our victory here won't matter. We must move quickly. What's the plan, Mandy? For the time being, the cyber forming is slow. But Sir Khan will undoubtedly go after the plasma core to start it again. And it sprung a leak before we eject it. Even if Sher Khan never gets it, we still have to shut it down. We should scan for familiar activity. The plasma core eject button wasn't targeted. Sher Khan's gonna need someone to go pick it up. Split up and find something directed up there. Today's a good day to join our cause, Khan. My loyalty only goes so far. Tap your plus my energy. That's madness. Wow, setting up defenses around the island, why don't you just move the plasma core? Try to catch up that leak before they move it. That's what I do. I think I might have a plan. We passed dynamite battlers. The ones that go boom. Yes, you guys me about it. Got it. Back the bridge. Wow! Fire in the hole! There it is. Careful, everyone. That lightning could be lethal. No lightning! Someone get that thing over here. Hey! Chungu taking the car wasn't a part of any of my ideas. That coward! What's wrong with it? I knew you would repair the leak before Chungu took it. Meaning? Can it be repaired? It can. The ground star responsible for all the stores and the plasma energy channels in Robotropolis. Only a plasma energy infected Robotropolis can be repaired. Chungu, bring it back to the tower. The core is unstable. Unstable? Wow. This is getting hard to do. Can't control where I'm going. Get me the ice cream dog. With the core leaking, I should be able to mix something to get a directional fix on the plasma energy. Not here. Not here either. Nothing but Daisy dear. There it is, under the rubble. Oh, the crack in that casing is getting bigger. I think I can patch the leak temporarily if I can just get to it. We don't have time. We better make time. Plasma energy is unpredictable. It could explode, cause gravitational rifts, or a wormhole into existence. All right, patch it up. I did not see that coming. Huh? Chum. You survived. Everyone to the land of darkness, to Robotropolis. Mind if I cut in? Hop on. They're headed to Robotropolis.